The terminal streamlines global operations, creates jobs, supports nearby communities, and keeps goods moving smoothly around the world. With the recent economic rebound, Qingda Terminal was under pressure to make a change in the face of skyrocketing throughput. So here we are. This Guanhui gantry crane has a lifting capacity of 40.5 tons, a span of 45 meters, an overall length of 70 meters, a lifting height of 22 meters, and a design function of stacking containers 5/6. Qingda Terminal greatly relieves the throughput pressure and improves the working efficiency. Next, let's see how to install this behemoth together. This is a tram. This gantry crane has a total of 4, are located in the gantry crane 4 bottom corners of the lowest, and direct contact with the ground track. Each tram is equipped with 3 pairs of wheels, 2 motors, so the entire gantry crane weight will be spread over 24 wheels to ensure that the overall force is uniform, and these 4 tram will drive the entire gantry crane to move back and forth. Next, install the lower girders, of which there are 2, and attach the ends of each to the 2 trams on each side. After that, the outriggers and main girders are installed. First of all, the main girders, end girders, and climbing ladders to be installed need to be organized and positioned on the ground. Then lift the outriggers. In order to prevent the heavy weight of one side from tipping over, it is also necessary to temporarily lift the main girder of the other side onto the lower cross girder in order to centralize the center of gravity before lifting the other outrigger. Next, continue lifting the outrigger of the other end. Now, the tram, the lower girder and legs of one side have been installed. This is the content of today's work. Want to know when this gantry crane will be completed and the operating effect? Please continue to pay attention to Guanhui.